All right, here's my 2022 Indian Scout Bobber. I'm gonna be putting the rear passenger seat on. This is it right here. I know it doesn't match the seat, but I like the black one anyway. It'll still look good. But anyway, this is the tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need a 13 millimeter. You're gonna need a Allen key. The size is 6. It's pretty simple. This is not gonna be a long video. So just so you know, when you loosen these two bolts, your fender will move. So you just gotta make sure you hold your fender. You could just rest this down like right here, and it's work on the other side. Okay, so here's the other side. See, it's loose. So just take the rubber off like that. And just put it to the side. And do the same for the other side. So just take like some cloths, some rags, whatever. Just put it down right here so you don't scratch up your fender. Just lay them down like that. You just take your seat. You got the washer and the bolt right here. Put them on like that. Do the same thing for the other side. And once you get them in, you could just pull these off. Just pull them off. And just tighten them up. So the same ones that you took off earlier, you're gonna put these back on. That's it. And then just do the same thing for the other side. All right, so here's the rear seat. I think it looks good. What y'all think?